daddy's honey is gone. Somebody took my queen bee, they didn't even leave me the comb. Well, I'll never have a sweet tooth for honey no more. The bees are buzzing round somebody else's door. Well, somebody robbed my beehive, and now that his honey is gone. Somebody robbed my beehive, and now that his honey is gone. Somebody took my sweet thing and left me here all alone. Well, the honeysuckles blooming on that old magnolia tree, they don't just seem as sweet now as they used to be. Well, somebody robbed my beehive, and now that his honey is gone. Now that his honey is gone.